and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I did my eyelash extension, DIY eyelash extension. As some of my friends and followers have requested me how I did my eyelash extensions at home, and I would love to share with everyone who might require this DIY convenience in your own home. Just a disclaimer, I am not a trained eyelash extension or lash technician. I learned from my sister. I read in the Google and that's how I applied. I've been doing this by myself for almost a year now, and I improved throughout the time when I'm doing it by myself. With every steps, change it according to how I would like it to be. Of course, what I'm doing here is just some idea how to do an eyelash extension at home. Also, just a precaution here that you should use non-professional eyelash glue. So I'm using a plant-based eyelash extension glue, and it's even safe for pregnant ladies. I will link every product that I'm using in my description box. Most of the products that I'm using are from Shopee. As you can see, actually, I already have an eyelash extension, but this has been for almost 3 weeks already and it's still intact. Let me just zoom for everyone. So here's my eyelash extension currently. There are sparse area around here and it's getting looser around this area too. What I mean loose is that there are some of my eyelash that falling off, so that's why there are loose eyelash around, and I find that it's very annoying. So that's why I'm going to do it again. But I am not reusing this eyelash. I will use new eyelashes for my renewed eyelash extension because I feel like it's much more sanitary and then it feels new. And without further ado, let's get pretty. And tada! We are finished with the eyelash extension. DIY eyelash extension. Okay, let's talk about the pros and cons of your own eyelash extension. Okay, let's start with the cons first. So on the cons, you have to be very particular and you have to be very precise when you're putting on the lashes on your own eyelashes. Mind that you need to leave a few gaps to ensure that it's not touching on your eyelid, because it will disrupt the growth of your eyelash. The second con is that you might also still feel the sting of the glue, so that's why you need the fan on your face all the time so the fume doesn't go directly into your eyes. But another cons I need to add that it doesn't last as long as the professional glue. So let's talk about the pros. Of course, I think there are more pros. Saves you money, less time consumed because you don't have to take your time to go to the shop and then it takes you about 2 hours to remove and to redo it. Another good thing is that you can do as how you like it. You want it thicker, you want it thin, as natural as you want. It's up to you. You just need the tools and you are good to go. Another thing I noticed that since I'm doing my own eyelashes, sorry, Alois is here so you might hear her again almost every of my videos. So another thing about I noticed that when I did my own eyelashes, my lashes grow better compared to when I go to the shop to do it. I think it's because they are using a professional glue. What I'm using is a plant-based, so I guess it's much better compared to the professional glue. I just want to let you know that you can reuse your lashes. You can clean it using the eyelash glue remover, but to me it's a bit tedious, plus one box costs about $1 or $2. To me it's much more time efficient to just use a new set of lashes. And I hope my video is helpful, beneficial. If you have any questions, you can always drop a comment in the comment section below, or you can even DM me in my Instagram account, then I will definitely reply you. Let me know in the comment section as well if you would like to know other beauty hacks, because I have a few in hands. Don't forget to click the subscribe button here, and I see you guys again next time. Bye!